you making it?
Much fun. Might switch flies.
Oh, yeah.
What are you putting on?
Cicada. Oh my God.
Let's go.
God. Oh shit.
Big one?
Nice fish.
That was awesome. I heard that and seen it.
That was fucking sick, man.
Yeah.
Nice fish, dude. Real nice fish. All right. Well, started out nymphing, and we knew the cicadas were going to be coming off and getting in the water, but didn't know how soon. And got up to one stretch of river, and all of a sudden they just started popping out of the water. And so I made a change, and about my fifth cast, had this big, nice brown come up and absolutely whop the cicada. How cool is that? Let me get him unpinned, and we'll give you a little better look at him. Here we go. Not a huge fish, but he came out of the water like a rocket ship for that cicada, and it was awesome. How cool. This, here's another look at him right here. Look at that. Deuces. Let's go. That scared the fuck out of me.
What?
There's a fucking cicada on my line.
Is there?
Yeah, scared the fuck out of me. Good grief.
Let's go, dude.
That was awesome. I think it's a nice rainbow. Yep. Just like that, I barely had him pinned. Barely. Yeah. All right, well, the cicada trick, it's working. Just cut a nice bow, feisty bow on the cicada. I think I got that one on video. You'll be able to see that one. Ooh, again, just a nice fish. Little stalker bow. We'll take them all day long, baby. Let's go. How's it going?
Oh, great.
Could you hold what word?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Catching some?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Good.
a couple. Here and there.
Right on. Yep, doing great. How about you?
Could be worse. Could be worse.
It is so relaxing right now. Sorry for the interruption.
Hey, no, you're good, man. Truthfully, don't mind surprising me. Used to it.
Well, have a good fish, man.
Yes, sir. Get right here, rest your float.
Thank you.
And I think anywhere from like basically straight across from where you're at. I mean, I even caught that one kind of where the transition is of the color between the water on the right hand side there.
Did you get that?
Yeah, you're stuck. Oh, I get you.
Monster fish.
Yeah, that was a big fish.
Let's go. Holy fuck. Big fish?
I think so, yeah.
Let's go. Fuck yeah, dude.
And look what is in his.
What?
Look what's in the net right now. Other than the fish.
Cicada?
Yeah, there's a cicada in it. Damn, he nommed that, bro. Holy fuck. That was in the net after I caught the fish.
That is hilarious.
All right. just had an absolute awesome eat again on the Cicada. It was been really slow. We kind of worked our way back to where I'd caught those first 2 fish and absolutely had one come out of nowhere and whack the Cicada. Look at that awesome brown. Super, super cool. Super cool. Yeah, look at him. How cool. On the Cicada. Pretty, pretty fish.
Perfect drift. Nothing's really like, oh, that looks fucking tasty. Maybe I should get up off my lazy brown trout ass and fucking eat that. I don't think it's gonna get easier than that.
No, it's really not.
Look at me, I'm a little cicada, I'm floaty. Don't eat me. I do not know how to swim. Cicada. I've been in the ground for 13 years. I think they missed it twice though.
God damn.
That's it. Big fish?
Good one.
Yeah?
Yeah. Another one on the Cicada. It's been hit or miss, really. Kind of walk and find fish that are feeding. Get you a look at this one. How cool. What an awesome fish, man. Get you another little look at him. Awesome fish. One more. Cicada eater. All right. At this point, we're just kind of messing around. I'm just casting it toward the end of the trip. And sure enough, got another little eater, little cicada eater. Absolutely cool. Can't get enough of that. I'm gonna show you this fly. It is absolutely beat up. I don't know if you can see that. Getting nommed all day long, beat up. But that's what did it. Looked a little bit better about 6 hours ago.
So that was the end of the first video for the first trip down to the Current River during the Cicada hatch. We actually went back a week later. I don't know if you could tell, but Heron did kind of struggle that day. So we wanted to get some revenge. So we went back down. We didn't actually film, just kind of wanted to have the experience. But yeah, we just wanted to share some extra videos of the second trip that we went down there. So here they are. As we're kind of watching these clips from the second trip, just wanted to really talk about the cicadas for a second. They really brought out something out of these fish that I have personally never seen. In just regard to how they were eating and feeding on the insects. We really don't see a lot of topwater action, nor do we fish a lot of it because it's really not as productive as nymphing. But the cicada hatch really just turned them on, and it was unbelievable to see those fish do something that you really don't get to see a lot of the times, especially in Missouri. It was an awesome experience to see just firsthand how much these fish can change their feeding habits when there's certain bugs that are present. The cicadas were out in thousands. The first week we went down there, they were all over the place. The second week, they kind of slowed down, but the fish were definitely still keyed in on them. So really cool to kind of see how they acted with those bugs out and about. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.